For our math lesson today, boys and girls, you are going to use your number line. I am going to show you how to use your number line to help you add doubles today. Okay, so you're going to take out your Saxon math pages, and you're going to use your number line, and you're going to open to page 81. You're going to see this thing here that looks like a key. This is optional for you to do. You don't have to do this part, but what I want you to do is over here, okay? So the first thing that you're going to do, the problem here reads 0 plus 0, and what you're going to do is put your finger on the 0, and then you're going to move your finger 0 spaces. So if you move your finger 0 spaces, you're going to stay on the 0. So 0 plus 0 equals 0. Okay, then the next one says 1 plus 1. So you start at the 1, and there's a little purple dot under the number 1. If you move your finger 1 space, you land on the 2. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. You're going to write your 2. Okay, then if you move down, the next problem says 2 plus 2. So you put your finger on the 2. You're going to move over 2 spaces. 1, 2. So when you do that, your finger lands on the 4. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. Okay. The next one says 3 plus 3. So if you start on the blue number 3, you're going to count over 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. And you'll see that your finger lands on the 6. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. Okay. Then the next problem reads 4 plus 4. So start on the number 4. Move your finger over 4 spaces. Count over 4. Okay, so start on the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you land on the number 8. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. So you write your 8 right there. Okay. The next problem says 5 plus 5. Okay, so start at the number 5, and you have to count over 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you land on the number 10. And if you saw how I did it that time, I actually used 2 fingers on each hand. I started at the 5, counted over 5 spaces, and I land on the 10. And I want to show you a pattern that's happening here. It's counting by 2s, right? 0, or by even numbers, or by 2s. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So it's only, the answers are all going to be on this page just your even red numbers, okay? So we'll continue on. 6 plus 6. So I'm going to put my finger under the 6, and I'm going to count over 6 spaces. And there's those little dots that you can count to help you count over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And my finger lands on the 12. So I'm going to write the number 12 right here. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Okay, remember on the 12, the 1 comes first. Now the next one says 7 plus 7. So I start on the number 7. Okay, my one finger's there. Then I'm going to count over 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And my finger stops at the number 14. This means that 7 plus 7 equals 14. So I'm going to write the 14 there. Then the next problem says 8 plus 8. So I start with one finger under the dot by the 8, and now I'm going to count over 8 spaces using starting with my other finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I stop at the number 16. Okay, so 8 plus 8 equals 16. Okay. Now the next one says 9 plus 9. Okay, so I have to put one finger on the 9 and just leave it there. And then I'm going to count over 9 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When I stop, I'm on the number 18. So 9 plus 9 equals 18. So I'm going to go over here and write the number 18. Okay. And then down here it says 10 plus 10. So I have to put one finger under the 10, and then I count over 10 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20. That's where this finger stopped. So I'm going to write my 20 right here. Put my friendly 10 in there. Now the last one, I'm going to tell you the answer because we don't have a number line that long, but 100 plus 100 equals 200. Okay, so you're going to write a 200 right here. That's just a challenge question for you. Now, if you want, you don't have to do this, but if you want, you can then check over here. Find your 0 plus 0, and it equals 0. So then you can connect over here, okay? This is just a challenge for you. So 1 plus 1, find your 1 plus 1, it's right here, and you'll see the 2 is over there. Find your 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, and there's the answer right there, 4, okay? Find your 3 plus 3. Your 3 plus 3 is down here. And 3 plus 3 equals 6. So you need to connect that to the 6. This one says 4 plus 4 equals 8. So you have to find your 4 plus 4. It's down here. Your 8 is right there. So you can connect those together. This one says 5 plus 5 equals 10. So find your 5 plus 5. It's the second one up here. And you have to find the 10. It's down there. So connect those together. Okay? And the next one, 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay, so go to your 6 plus 6, it's right down here. And then your 12 is right here, so you can connect that together. 7 plus 7 equals 14. So over here, you're going to look for your 7 plus 7. It's all the way down here. And where is our 14? The 14 is down here, so just connect that together. 8 plus 8 equals 16. So you find your 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is right here. And then your 16 is all the way down here. So if you go back up to that equal sign by the 8 plus 8, you're going to come all the way down there and connect that to there. Okay, 9 plus 9 equals 18. So if you start with 9 plus 9, which is in here in the middle, there's our 9 plus 9. Where's our 18? Our 18 is right over here. So 9 plus 9, connect that to your 18. 10 plus 10 is 20. Your 10 plus 10 is down here. Your 20 is just a little line down. And then the last one, 100, 100 plus 100 equals 200. You're moving up just like that, okay? So go ahead and check your work. You can look at your work, see if it matches what I have here. These are called doubles. And when you have addition problems with doubles, you're always going to have an answer that is an even number. Even numbers are also the numbers that you count by twos. Okay? Good work today. Thank you for joining me for this lesson, boys and girls.